this live view from inside the Orion capsule. You can see Canadian Space Agency astronaut Jeremy Hansen there in the black t-shirt. Looks like he is unpacking some of the crew's meals ahead of their midday meal coming up. We talked through some of their lunch options for today: beef stew, roasted turkey, cauliflower and cheese, cherry blueberry cobbler, butternut squash, roasted turkey again, cheese tortellini, vanilla pudding, and the most appetizing chocolate pudding cake. And if you're a sauce fan like me, you'll like to know there is maple syrup, chocolate spread, peanut butter, hot sauce, spicy mustard, strawberry jam, honey, cinnamon, and almond butter, all flying around the moon as well.